Hello, everyone, and thank you for being here. My name is Craig Goldberg. I'm one of the co founders here at inHarmony Interactive, and I wanted to come to you with an updated shipping and manufacturing video. Many of you have been watching along, and we've gotten a lot of plays on the last video that I posted, which was dated and recorded actually on November 22nd. It was just before Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and it really painted a 90-day picture where today I would be in inventory. And unfortunately, I'm coming to you with a new update, which is the latest information that we received as of this morning. Originally, our container of inHarmony meditation cushions was to be unloaded February 7th and would have been delivered in the next week or so. That shipment did leave the port overseas and has made it to the port of LA and is currently sitting on a boat waiting to hit the dock. We have a scheduled unload date of February 21st. That's in about a week. And that would take about 2 weeks or so for it to go through customs and COVID holds and yada yada, right? All the things that it needs to do. We have a truck chartered and ready to pick up our container on March 7th. So at this point, we're a couple weeks away or a few weeks away from having that delivered. So again, all of these are scheduled now. We have a scheduled landing date for the port. We have a scheduled unload date. We have a scheduled truck to pick up our container on the other side of customs. So I expect by March 7th, and I feel pretty good about these dates, I expect by March 7th we're going to receive 380 units. It's going to take us about a week or so, maybe a little bit less, for our own COVID hold, everything that comes into our warehouse, and then of course for that to be received in inventory, labeled, and for those shipments to be able to go out. So I would expect this time next month that we are rocking. And in fact, many of you that have been waiting months for your product, and again, I am eternally grateful. Our entire team is eternally grateful. We'll be unpacking and unboxing your inHarmony meditation cushions. So again, thank you for each and every one of you. We might get some shipments in between now and then, although I don't think we will at this point. I think the best thing to do is to just hold out for that particular shipment. As usual, if anybody wants a refund, reach out to us. Get in touch with us by the phone number that's at the bottom of our website, emailing us help@iaminharmony.com. If you have questions and you want to speak with me, call our office, 888-276-8040. I'm at extension 104. I would love to speak and connect with you. So please get in touch with us if you have more specific questions. I will have an email communication going out over the next 24 to 48 hours. Again, we just got all this information, and I feel really confident in these delivery dates because they are dates that are set within the port and dates that are set within the trucking and logistics companies as well. So these were kind of the dates that we were hoping to have on February 7th and then sometime around the 21st or so. And obviously that got delayed a little bit, and we are where we are. If you're interested in a sound lounge, they are in stock. We have lots of them in stock, and we are ready to ship within the next, usually takes us about 2 business days to turn around that order, sometimes faster. If you're interested in our practitioner, that also is about a 2-day turnaround at this point. We have 10 more practitioners that need to be accessorized. We have 42 sound lounges that need to be accessorized. So we've got quite a bit of work on our end to make sure that we're getting these complete sets and kits ready to rock and roll. And of course, if you're interested in any of the Cocoon experiences that we offer, the Cocoon cushion, the BrainTap headset will ship right away. The cushion will ship when we come back into inventory. The practitioner, the BrainTap, will ship on right away. The practitioners will ship right away until we have to accessorize, and then of course with the sound lounge as well. So for those of you that have been waiting patiently and feverishly in some ways and in some cases, thank you very much. Thank you for reaching out. Thank you for your patience. We're almost there. I really appreciate you, and I do believe that we are on the other side of this. We still have 2 more containers that are going to be coming in April and May, and that's going to keep us in inventory at our current pace. Before we went out of inventory, that should keep us in inventory until August or so, and you bet we're going to place our next orders to make sure that we've got our next 3 containers coming in before the holiday season as well. So I can't even believe we're already talking about the holiday season for 2022, but that's how far out we are operating from a supply chain management perspective to make sure that we can keep our tech coming to you. Thank you for the demand. I appreciate it. We are working feverishly to make sure that we can keep up with our supply. And it's always a good problem to be working with when demand outpaces supply. Not something that we want to do very often, and not something that we want to maintain, of course. So we are working feverishly and investing heavily in our future production and future inventory so that we can make sure that we stay in inventory and always have new product coming our way. So thank you again for your patience. I greatly appreciate you. I hope you have a spectacular day, and I look forward to talking to you soon.